Imagine a world where farming not only feeds us but also heals the planet. This is the promise of regenerative agriculture, a holistic approach to farming that goes beyond sustainability to actively restore and revitalize our ecosystems. In a time when conventional agriculture has left our soils depleted and our planet struggling, regenerative agriculture offers a beacon of hope. This approach focuses on working with nature, not against it, to produce nutritious food while enhancing the environment. The growing popularity of regenerative agriculture stems from a collective awakening to the interconnectedness of our food systems and the health of our planet. Consumers are increasingly demanding food that is not only good for their bodies but also produced in a way that respects the environment. Farmers too are recognizing the long-term benefits of regenerative practices, which can lead to healthier soils, increased biodiversity, and greater resilience to climate change. This shift towards regenerative agriculture represents a paradigm shift in how we think about food production. It's a move away from the extractive practices of the past and towards a future where farming becomes a force for positive change, regenerating our land and creating a more sustainable and equitable food system for all. At the heart of regenerative agriculture lies a set of core principles that guide its practices. These principles prioritize soil health, biodiversity, water conservation, and the enhancement of natural ecosystems. By mimicking the patterns and processes found in nature, regenerative farmers create a harmonious and productive relationship with the land.
One key technique is cover cropping, which involves planting a diverse mix of non-cash crops during fallow periods. These cover crops act as living blankets, protecting the soil from erosion, improving its structure, and adding valuable nutrients. No-till farming, another important practice, minimizes soil disturbance by avoiding ploughing or tilling. This helps to preserve soil structure, retain moisture, and reduce carbon emissions. Crop rotation, a time-tested method of alternating different crops in a specific sequence, is also central to regenerative agriculture. By rotating crops with varying nutrient needs and root systems, farmers can break pest cycles, improve soil fertility, and enhance biodiversity. These interconnected practices work together to create a self-sustaining ecosystem that supports healthy plant growth and abundant harvests.
The benefits of regenerative agriculture extend far beyond the farm, offering a powerful solution to some of the most pressing environmental challenges of our time. By prioritizing soil health, regenerative practices help to combat climate change, conserve water resources, and protect biodiversity.
One of the most significant environmental benefits of regenerative agriculture is its ability to sequester carbon from the atmosphere. Healthy soils act as massive carbon sinks, storing vast amounts of carbon dioxide that would otherwise contribute to global warming. By increasing soil organic matter through practices like cover cropping and no-till farming, regenerative agriculture helps to draw down atmospheric carbon and mitigate climate change. Regenerative agriculture also plays a crucial role in water conservation, particularly in drought-prone regions. Healthy soils, rich in organic matter, act like sponges, absorbing and retaining water more effectively. This reduces runoff, improves drought resilience, and helps to recharge groundwater supplies. By promoting water infiltration and retention, regenerative agriculture helps to ensure a more secure and sustainable water future.
Across the globe, farmers are demonstrating the transformative power of regenerative agriculture, turning degraded land into thriving ecosystems while producing abundant and nutritious food. Their stories offer inspiring examples of what's possible when we work in harmony with nature.
In the drylands of North Dakota, Gabe Brown, a pioneer in the regenerative agriculture movement, transformed his family's conventional farm into a model of ecological restoration. Through a combination of no-till farming, cover cropping, and diverse crop rotations, Brown revitalized his soil, increased biodiversity, and enhanced the farm's resilience to extreme weather events. We went from having to spray our crops every year to not spraying at all, says Brown. The soil is now alive with beneficial insects and microorganisms that control pests and diseases naturally.
In the Midwest, Dave Brandt, another regenerative agriculture advocate, has witnessed a remarkable transformation on his farm. By adopting no-till farming and cover cropping, Brandt has significantly improved soil health, reduced erosion, and increased water infiltration. We used to lose topsoil with every rainfall, says Brandt. Now our soil is like a sponge, absorbing and holding on to water, even during heavy downpours.